The annual rental value of arid clothes dryers over Y years when used in a laundromat is given by 500 over Y plus 10Y to the power of 5 quarters, where Y is strictly bigger than 0. Find the life Y that minimizes E. To minimize E of Y, we have to show that there is a relative min on the interval from 0 to infinity. So we'll find the critical points. So we set E prime equal to 0, and we're going to solve for Y. I'll move the first term to the other side of the equation. To get Y to the 9 quarters by itself, I'll divide both sides by 25 halves. So Y equals 40 to the power of 4 ninths, which is approximately 5.15 years. This is the critical point, and now we want to know if it's a relative min. We can check this using either the first derivative test or the second derivative test. Let's use the first derivative test. On our number line, we'll plot the value 40 to the power of 4 ninths. Now remember that Y is strictly greater than 0. That means we don't want to consider this first chunk of the interval. We just want from 0 to positive infinity. So the sign chart will have two intervals. The first is from 0 to the critical point, then from the critical point to positive infinity. Picking any number in the first interval and plugging it into the first derivative, e prime, we get a negative value, which means the graph is decreasing on that interval. In the next interval, the value is positive, which means we're increasing. So since we went from decreasing, then changed at 40 to the power of 4 ninths to increasing, that means that this value is a relative min. So this is the life Y that minimizes E. And this completes the exercise.